Hey there, REI Live people. Hey, John Jackson here. Listen, I've had a phenomenal time speaking to the REI Live people. And so this Thursday, because so many people couldn't make it to the live meetings, this Thursday, I am doing a live training right here Thursday, the 11th. Let me double check that. Yep, Thursday 11th at 7 p.m. your time, Eastern time. It'll be 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. your time, live right here. I'm going to be doing a Zoom call. So you just want to click the link, register for it. It'll be live. I'll be going through a lot of the same information that I did while I was there speaking, but I'll be doing a deeper dive into some actual transactions, how we got the property, how we found the buyer, and all of that. So, and I may even try to have one or two of my dream partners come on board, so maybe you can ask them some questions as well, like how do they get some of their deals and their transactions as well. Jose Campos just closed a $35,000 deal. So super excited about that, and I know he's super excited. So anyway, this Thursday, the 11th, November 11th, 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'll see you in the live webinar. And all right, take care.